Joining us now is Stefanie Kammerman, founder and managing director of the Stock Whisperer Trading Company. Stefanie, thank you for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
It's a pleasure to have you here. I want to ask you what you offer for your followers on the Stock Whisperer.
So I run a live online trading room where I share my screen live every day, and I do 2 audio meetings, and I teach traders all over the world how to day trade, short-term swing trade, and long-term investing. And I think it's a great tool when you can share your screen while the market is happening. There's nothing like learning live.
And how many followers do you have?
I have about 50,000 followers right now on StockTwits, and I think 5,000 on Twitter.
Now, can you talk to us about some of the small things that regular traders may not spot when you're doing trading all day, every day?
So most people don't even watch the tape, you know, when they're investing and trading. But if you knew that a big guy was coming in and buying a specific stock or sector or selling a stock or sector, that's a game changer. You know, that is what's going to move the stock. And so that's what I do. I teach my traders how to read the tape, especially the dark pool.
So what is the dark pool? Explain to us what that means.
Most people think it's invisible and you can't see it, but 40%, actually I think it's much higher than that, of all the trades that are being done in this dark pool, which is an alternative exchange.
And what do you teach your audience? Maybe words of caution that you always offer, or advice, tips?
I've called the last 10 corrections on social media before they happened.
Wow, and how do you do that?
There's a dark pool signature that I've been able to spot and capture with pictures so that I can use it to teach people what to look for. Right. And it's a series of these late trades that are reported the next day, which should be illegal, but there's a loophole in the dark pool. And when I see this happening, I alert my followers and my traders, hey, there's a correction coming. And it's really the same pattern, and it's not difficult to see what it is.
So why is it that people say that dark pool is invisible when you in fact say it's not?
Their software doesn't have dark pool data feed. That's why. They're just not seeing it. And there's a lot of software out there that do have it. You just have to know which ones. And I'm not here to sell it. You know, it's free. You can get it for free. Right? But just come to my website and I'll show you how to do that.
Gotcha. And I understand that you have a dark pool app coming out soon.
Yeah.
So how easy is it for people to use?
I developed this dark pool app, which is really easy. You can just go to the Apple Store or the Google Play Store and download it. It's free to download. And I will be doing push notifications directly to your phone when something big is happening, unusual.
Great. Now you've been trading for 24 years.
24. Started when I was 12.
It started when you were 12, exactly.
Really young.
When you look and meet investors, what is the common problem they're having, and what is your solution for them?
So most people that are out there trading are trading with their emotions, the greed, the fear, and they're not trading based on mapped out high probability trades. You know, this is not gambling. You know, this is a career. If you want to make this a career choice, you have to treat it as if it is. Knowing where you're getting out before you get into a trade. Not too many people know that. They just get in and just let the trade control them.
Right. So you're saying that timing is really key here.
Everything, yeah. And so using the dark pool, using specific levels that stocks are trading on is easy. We're still trading in fractions. So I started in 94 when we were trading in fractions, and the market is still trading on eighths and quarters.
Stefanie, thank you for being here with us.
Thank you for having me.
To watch videos from experts like Stefanie, make sure you sign up for free on SmallCapPower.com for our daily newsletter.